Welcome to navi3. In this video we show you how to replace the toothed belt of your navi3 proliner navi3 yourself. Remove the filter box. Unroll about 5 meters of device cable so that you can work on the robot. With 2 people, lift your robot onto a stable rotating work surface. Loosen the 4 screws of the housing cover. Open the tether shackle. Remove the case and place it on the trolley. Remove the idler pulleys on both sides. Loosen the 4 screws of the axle locks and push them to the side. Carefully slide out the rear axle. The rollers can now be removed. After that, repeat the process on the other axis. Loosen the brush unit attachment on one side. Separate the bracket and brush assembly with a flathead screwdriver. Remove bracket and brush assembly. After that, repeat the process on the other axis. Insert the new toothed belt. Place the drive belts over the brush unit. Reinstall the brush unit. Screw the brush unit tight. Lead out the tether. Reinstall the rollers. Please note that the rollers are cylindrical. They must be mounted with the narrow side inwards. Also make sure that the toothed belts are properly seated in the teeth. Carefully reinsert the axle and push it through to the middle. Insert the second roller and push the axle through to the other side. Please pay attention to the alignment of the axis. Lock the axles on all 4 sides. Reinstall the idler pulleys. Fix the roller with the screw, but do not tighten it yet. Take the 2 gauges from the scope of delivery. Place one of the gauges under the toothed belt to set the optimal tension. Tension the idler pulleys with the second gauge and tighten the fastening screw. Remove the gauge. The toothed belt should be able to be pulled down about 2 centimeters. Make sure that both sides are equally stretched. Put the case back on. Make sure that the side brackets are in the recesses provided. Fasten the housing with the housing screws. Attach the tether. Your robot is then ready for use again. Thanks for your interest. Further information can be found on our homepage or on our YouTube channel.